Hello everyone, I'm Kashika Narula and today I have made this code on how to program and fly and land a Tello drone. So here I have my Tello drone as you can see. Here is the camera. I will also explain about the camera in my next videos. And here we have put in the battery. Now these are the wings by which it will fly. So here I have for coding we need to download three things. First it is Scratch 2.0 offline editor. We need to download the offline version of the Scratch 2.0 because when we connect our DG Elite drone, then over here the original Wi-Fi by which all the Scratch works gets disconnected because the drone is not connected through Bluetooth, it is connected through Wi-Fi. So that is why we need the offline editor. Next we have node.js. So node.js, what it does is connects the code of the Scratch to the drone, to the Tello drone code. So what it does is, firstly the Scratch sends the output to the node and then the node gives it into the Tello drone. So over here we need to download version 8, not the current version. And then over here, since I am using Windows, I have clicked this option. If you are a Mac, US or Linux, you can use the other options. And then we need to download it. I have already downloaded these two, so I won't be downloading them again. I have put the link of these both in the comment section, in the description below. Now we want to download the third thing, which is our Scratch. So over here for this Scratch, you guys can put your email in the comment section below and I can send this Scratch folder link to you at your email ID because it's a big folder. Inside Scratch, we have three folders: Tello.js, Tello.s2e, and Tello.chs.s2e. We for this video will be using this one, but both of them, but the other two are also very important, so we will need them. So do not delete them. Firstly, Tello s2e, and next we have the Scratch folder and node. I have already unzipped this Scratch folder because I have already used it, and then the node is a basic command thing. Now, firstly, we will be going on to Scratch. So you have downloaded Scratch 2.0. We will be opening it. I have a shortcut of it on my desktop. Over here, if you will see right now, it looks like a normal Scratch program. A motion, look, sound, and even that sprite one. If you go on to more blocks, you have two options: make a block and add an extension. There are no other blocks over here right now. To add more blocks, we have to connect Tello to this Scratch program. So for that, we will go on to file, but you can't just go and click on to file because if you do that, you get only these many options like new, open, save, the normal options. If we do shift and file, it shows three extra options: force help file update, show version details, and import experimental HTTP extension. We need to do the last one, import experimental HTTP extension. Now over here I have all these folders. If you remember, I showed them to you. I had unzipped the Scratch and all. Inside the Scratch folder there are three I mentioned. The second one we will be using right now. So we open, and now if you suddenly see in more blocks, I have this option of Tello control. Here we have takeoff, land, fly up with distance, set speed, etc. etc. There is also rotate clockwise with angle, there is rotate counterclockwise with angle. So for this video, I will use the basic takeoff and land. So let's say that when green is clicked, it takes off, and when space key is pressed, it lands. So more blocks, it lands. So these two are the basic ones, like taking off a drone and landing it. This is what I will be showing you right now. Now what we need to do is use the node.js. If you remember, I showed you right over here the node.js. So what this does, I'll explain once more. It takes the Scratch code, sends it to the Tello code. So Scratch to node to Tello. So node is the middle translator. Now over here we have command in Windows already installed. So I will go to command prompt. We have cd space link of the, we need to link the file of our scratch. So over here I'll just copy this file name, and then I go over here in the command prompt and cd space control V. Now we enter. Now if you'll see scratch underscore don slash scratch, this is the place where we have our scratch folder. Now we will write node space tello tello.js. Now we enter it and we will see that it also has it running at this. This is the local link. And now over here we can minimize all this and go on back to our code. So right now we have connected Tello to Scratch, but we haven't connected our specific drone to this computer. So now for that, already told you that we need a Scratch offline version, which is why we use Scratch 2.0 offline editor. Because now if you'll see, I will be switching on my drone, and when I do that, it will show a Wi-Fi, not a Bluetooth device, but it will show it as a Wi-Fi device. So I'll disconnect my original Wi-Fi for now. Disconnect. And then we will see a Tello drone. My Tello drone name is 954B04. I can connect it automatically or I can connect it for now. So I have connected it, and now I will go back to my code while it connects and explain that firstly we have to press this green button right here for takeoff, and for land, for taking off the drone we have to press this green button, and for landing the drone we have to press our space key on our computer. Now we'll check for the Wi-Fi if it's connected. It has connected, but it's showing no internet for now, so we will wait a few more minutes. Disconnect it and connect it again. So while it connects, I will also show you that the command prompt we have is still running. Tello scratch external running at the local variable, which is 127.0.0 for my computer. It has connected now. As I can see over here, the yellow light is blinking. Now I will show you how it works. So here I am showing you how this works. So when we wrote our code, we wrote that when green clicked, it should take off, and on this space key pressed, it should land. So let's try that. Here I have my drone. When I click on green, it takes off, and then when I press my space key, it slowly lands. So this is how my drone works. So thank you everyone. I hope you liked my video, and I hope you also buy your own Tello drone. Try this code and write any doubts you have in the comment section. I'm always happy to help. So thank you. Have a nice day.